In this video, I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step process of how I'm able to blend images into the backgrounds like this using only PixelLab. So stay tuned and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you how you can blend your images with your background. And in this tutorial, we are going to be using the drawing tool. So the first thing you have to do, you need to change your background to the color that you would like to use. So for the sake of the video, I will just choose a random color. Let's go with this one. Okay, so depending on the project you're working on, you use the background according to what you want your design to be. So at this level, we are going to import our image from our gallery. So here I have my image ready to use. So one thing you have to note is that before bringing your image into PixelLab into your project, you must have removed the background of the image. Whether you're trying to blend a person or an object or a product into your design, you must first of all remove the background of the image in order to blend it perfectly. So as you can see, I've already removed the background of my image and I have just the person here. So I'm going to lock this design, this image, so it doesn't move around again. So the next thing we are going to be doing, we are going to use the drawing tool. So here's what we are going to do. You click on the drawing tool and then you might increase the font size depending on you, and then you want to select the color of the drawing, the same color of the background. So you're picking the same color that you have for your background, and then you're going to increase the blur radius. So we are going to increase the blur radius right up to the end, or yes, right up to the end. So we already have that. You just draw the horizontal line or whatever, just draw something small, and that's going to be it. So you increase the size, so it's big enough to cover the bottom part of the image. You can see that probably part of the image is still visible. Right down here at the end here, part of the image is still visible. So you can just duplicate this drawing that you did, or click on copy. So I've copied the drawing, and then I have another layer of it. So I can just bring it now and add it to this part that was visible, so that it covers up the part of the image that is still visible. So there you can see the image blends with the background perfectly. It just looks exactly like the image is blending with the background. So you adjust it until you no longer find, if you're finding difficulties adjusting it, you can still just go ahead and copy and then add another layer of it so that it can thicken the drawing to cover the background, to cover the image very well, so that it really gives that blur look, that the image is blending perfectly with the background. So there you have it. Now you can experiment with other colors. So I'll just go ahead and change the background color so that we can see how it looks on other colors. So I'll just go ahead and take blue, and then, but before that, let's go ahead and merge all of these drawings so that we can use them as one image. So I'll merge this, and as you can see, all the drawings that we duplicated is now as one. So we can go ahead now and change their color as one. So I'll click here, and then we see here okay. So here we go ahead and change the color of the drawing, and there you have it. So you go ahead and just adjust it a bit so it looks good. Okay, so let's try another color. Go to change the background color to something else. Let's try with this, and then you go ahead and change the image color. Select this, go to color, change. So there you have it. That's the trick that I definitely use in all my designs to blend my images with my background perfectly. I've been having a lot of questions. A lot of people have been asking me how I do that. So here's the tutorial on how you can do that as well. And if you're finding difficulties, just drop a comment below this video and tell me exactly where you're finding difficulties, and I'll be sure to respond to you and give you directions on how you can go about it. So that's it for the video. See you in the next video.